Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. My name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, and I have learned this language by myself by using YouTube and some other apps. By myself without spending a single rupee, I learned this language. I come from a very small, a very humble background, Hindi medium background. Even then I learned this language only because of the confidence level I had at that time. Only because of that confidence, only because of that confidence and that consistency, I am here. I am speaking in front of you very well English, like native speaker. But I am making many faults now too. I will be improving my faults. And guys, today I am going to share a topic, a very important topic, that is how I transformed my spoken English journey, speaking into the mirror. यानी कि how mirror helped me a lot. So this video is going to be all about the mirror technique, how you guys have to use mirror for spoken English, what is the mirror technique, and how it helped me. I will tell all the relevant things in this video, so watch this video till then and dive into with me at the end of the video, please. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, truly speaking, one day I was unable to speak at all in this language. When I started learning this journey, I also used to think like you guys are thinking nowadays. Everyone is starting who is beginner definitely might be thinking lots of questions in their mind that when I will speak in front of the public, when I will try to learn this language, the guys will be who will make fun of you because you are not able to speak very good English, you are speaking tutti frutti English. So the guys will say you अंग्रेज चले गए, बोलना तो आता नहीं है. If you are in city areas तो वहाँ पर बोलेंगे कि you are unable to speak, don't try to speak. क्या इंग्लिश बोल रहा है, क्या बकवास इंग्लिश बोल रहा है. But if you are in the village areas, so you will face different types of comments like the अंग्रेज, देखो अंग्रेज आ गया, अंग्रेज चले गए, जूठन नहीं गया, अभी जूठन यहीं पर छोड़ गए. So these kinds of questions will you might be facing when you are going to speak in front of the public, in front of your friends who are not supportive. So guys, here the mirror technique comes in use. And when I also used to speak in front of the public, they used to make fun of me. So I thought that I don't have to speak in front of them because in starting I was not able to speak a single sentence. So only because of this reason I started speaking in front of the mirror. And how I started, how did I know about this mirror technique, I will tell in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. But when I started speaking in front of the mirror, truly speaking, everything was changed. Everything was changed because I don't have the funny people around me. I did not have the funny people around me so that they can make fun of me, because I am just speaking in front of me, into my mirror. Okay, so this is how you guys can speak very good English with the confidence level. You are not only learning spoken English, but you are just increasing your confidence level by speaking. With the mirror technique, you guys can truly transform everything guys. It is going to be helping you a lot. The mirror technique is very useful when you guys are facing the hesitation or underconfidence, or fear of speaking in front of the public, fear of public speaking. So use this technique, that will help you a lot in your whole journey. If you are a beginner, then you guys must have to use this technique in your day-to-day life conversation, in your day-to-day life spoken English learning journey. Okay, so I am going to tell everything in a very good manner, in a very descriptive manner. Guys, first thing how I knew about the mirror practice. How did I know about mirror practice in starting? So I also used to watch these kinds of videos in YouTube, how to learn English, how to gain confidence level. The people are making fun of me, I am very depressed, so I just used to search on YouTube. What finally one day a video came to me, and I watched that video. That was very useful for me. That YouTuber said to the guys that you guys have to use the mirror for spoken English. Only from that day I started speaking in front of the mirror, and it helped me a lot. It helped me a lot because there is no one who can make fun of you. There is no one. You are just talking to yourself. This is the self-talk. This is called self-talk. Self-talk is really, really important to increase the confidence level. Not only for spoken English, but also your communication skills, for your body language, for your interviews. The self-talk is really, really important. Really, really important. And guys, the question is how mirror practice works. Mirror practice, you guys just have to set a mirror. That can be a small mirror or a dressing mirror. You guys have to set in front of you in your room. But there should not be anyone from your family members. If anyone is not interrupting you, is anyone who will not make fun of you, so you can speak in front of them. Otherwise, you guys have to speak alone in your room. Put a mirror and just start speaking in front of the mirror. You guys can talk about yourself. You can talk about the things about any kinds of things, about your books, about your daily schedule, about your whole day have passed, in which manner you guys have to speak. It can be anything, any articles, यानी कि वस्तुएं, कोई कुछ भी हो उसके बारे में बोलना है आपको. You guys have to talk कि आप अपने बारे में बोल सकते हो. How I was unable to understand English when I started, but now I am able to speak very good English. How did I do it? So these kinds of things you guys have to speak in front of the mirror. So this is how you guys can use mirror effectively. Okay, so this is how I also used this mirror for spoken English. Even today I use the mirror not for spoken English, but I use the mirror for gaining the confidence level, for gaining the for increasing the confidence in all kinds of areas. Okay, so the mirror technique will help you a lot. And see guys, spoken English is not just about the grammar and vocabulary, but it's about the gaining confidence level and enjoying the process and practicing consistently. So mirror techniques will help you a lot to gain the confidence level. Truly speaking, mirror technique will help you to gain the confidence level. Lots of the things you were not able to do, you will be able to do after using this technique. Okay, and guys, one thing, remember, you guys have to remember one thing, that mistakes will be the part of your journey, will be the part of everyone's journey who is just starting. It is the part of my journey too, because when I started I also used to make many mistakes in starting, but even today I make mistakes, but the amount of mistakes have been very less, because I have improved a lot with this consistency. And don't worry about the mistake, just worry about the improvement. Just enjoy your little steps, that how you have improved, rather than thinking about the mistakes that I have done. Just think about the improvement, कि आपने क्या अचीव किया. Just think about the achievements that you are getting. Little achievements. This is how you guys can be confident. This is how you guys can be confident all the times. And guys, finally I want to say, I want to make you remember that the consistency is key in any kinds of career, in any kinds of field. without consistency you cannot learn. It will take lots of time. Without consistency it will take you in a very long journey if you are unable to be consistent in your this spoken English journey. So be consistent in your learning journey. Consistency is not mean that you guys have to practice spoken English whole day. Consistency is, means you guys have to do the practice that I have told for some minutes, for few minutes every day, rather than practicing whole day. You guys have to do at least some the practice for some hours, some minutes. But with the consistency, with the एक दृढ़ता के साथ में आपको प्रत्येक दिन थोड़ा थोड़ा समय देना है, ना कि एक दिन आपने 10 घंटे पढ़ लिया फिर आपने 2-3 दिन पढ़ा ही नहीं कुछ. So this will not work. This is not going to help you. Rather ways, guys, consistency is the key of success. If you are consistent in your learning journey, you are going to learn a lot. Okay, so this is how I used this mirror technique, and it helped me a lot for spoken English, for gaining the confidence level, for improving the communication skills, improving the body language. I'm improving now too. I'm improving day by day. Okay, so this is how I have learned this language by using the mirror. Okay, it is very effective technique. If you found something relevant by watching this video, so please आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड लाइक एंड कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियोज एंड कमेंट on after using this mirror technique. You guys have to comment how are you feeling now, how are you feeling. Comment on my video. Okay, so in this video I want you to talk about only this. I will be uploading these kinds of videos. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet in another video.